Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make Salisbury steak. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let's cook. So guys, in a mixing bowl, I'm adding breadcrumb, dried thyme leaves, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, Cajun season, meat season, Worcestershire sauce. Guys, I can never pronounce that word. Oh my god. Ketchup. And I'm also going in with 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce. Worcestershire. Oh my god, I can never pronounce that word. But guys, I will be sure to list all the ingredients down in the description below. Now guys, I'm also going to be adding 1 whole egg. And you just want to combine all that together. Now I'm gonna divide equal amounts and shape into oval patties about 1/2 inch thick. Now in a frying pan on medium heat, I'm adding oil. I'm gonna allow that to heat. Then I'm gonna add my patties and I'm gonna cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Now guys, I'm flipping my patties and I'm just looking for a golden brown texture, just like that. Now once they're cooked, you just want to remove them and place them on a plate. for my gravy, I'm adding mushroom to that same pan, and I'm just gonna saute those, and I'm adding butter. And guys, I'm actually gonna cheat because I won't be making my own gravy from scratch. I'm actually gonna be using store-bought gravy. Yes, but if you guys want to make the gravy from scratch, just go ahead and add your butter, as I'm doing here with the mushroom, of course. Add about 1 tablespoon of flour, cook that through, then add your beef broth and just allow it to reduce on medium heat until it becomes thickened. Now guys, I'm adding my brown gravy, and I'm just gonna allow this to thicken. Now guys, I'm adding my patties to that gravy. Look how gorgeous those are. Oh my goodness, this was so good, guys. I've never had this before, but best believe this is something that's gonna be on my menu again, definitely. Now guys, I'm just covering those patties with gravy, and I'm going to let it cook for about 5 minutes or so. And here you have it, guys. Super easy, the perfect Salisbury steak. I went ahead and I served that with some garlic mashed potato and asparagus. I love you guys so much for stopping by. This was super easy, guys. Trust and believe that. Super easy meal. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.